I'm recording this demo on a mobile device to showcase some progressive enhancement features available in the UI of SAI Authorization Agent. It will focus on establishing a data sharing relation between two social agents. In this case, it will be Yori who's sending invitation to Bob, and Bob is the agent who's receiving the invitation. In the end, there will be a pair of reciprocal social agent registrations created by their corresponding authorization agents. So we start here, and I'm using Firefox as a site that Yori is using to create the invitation. As you see, there's already one invitation she sent to Alice, and I'll create a new one for Bob. We label the new contact. We can put optional note, we don't need it here. We are creating an invitation. So now we can either simply copy it, it will be a invitation link, and paste it in some messenger or whatever we used to communicate already with Bob. So this relies on existing pre-established trusted channels that we can pass this invitation link to the other agent. But here I want to demonstrate I think a little nicer flow that uses web share. So we can just select this and use the messenger to send it. So now Yori is sending an invitation link to Bob. And now we are going to imagine that we are switching side, and now we'll be continuing as a Bob. So Yori already did her part, created invitation, sent a link to Bob, in that case using a web share API. And now Bob is receiving this link in their messenger. In this case, I'm just using SMS. And Bob could also just copy this link and open the authorization agent and paste it there. That's available across any platform. But here on mobile, we can use also web share target API. So I'm going to select to share that link. And I'm going to use, here I have SAI Authorization Agent installed as a progressive web app, which has web share target in its manifest. So I'm selecting SAI Authorization Agent. I can label, so now I'm as a Bob receiving the invitation, so I can say it's from Yori because it arrived from her mobile phone number. I'm accepting the invitation. As we can see, now already Bob has Yori. They can start sharing data with her. And just to show you the other side, we're going back to Firefox. And I still have to add a push notification for that, but for now we can just refresh. And we see that Bob is already added. So also Yori's authorization agent, when received request from Bob's authorization agent, added Bob's web ID, and now also they can start sharing data. So this is a short demonstration how the flow of establishing data sharing between two agents works. And in this case, on a mobile device, it uses web share and web share target APIs to simplify passing the invitation link between authorization agent UI and some messaging service that those agents already use between themselves.